If you've ever thought about starting a Shopify dropshipping store, you've probably heard that finding winning products is the hardest part, but in reality, that's only the beginning. Once orders start coming in, you have to deal with suppliers, fulfillment, shipping methods, tracking numbers, and customer updates. Managing all of that manually can quickly become overwhelming, especially if you're trying to grow your business. So today, I'm taking a look at Unify Dropshipping, a platform designed to simplify the entire fulfillment process. I'll walk you through how it works, show the complete workflow from connecting a store to fulfilling an order, and share my thoughts on whether it's a useful solution for Shopify sellers. If you're ready to make AI your superpower, welcome. Every video gives you new tools, new tricks, and simple shortcuts to level up your workflow instantly. No fluff, no geek talk, just practical power you can use today. Today's focus is Unify Dropshipping, an all-in-one supply chain and fulfillment platform. While it supports several e-commerce business models, including Shopify and WooCommerce dropshipping, Amazon FBA, DTC brands, print-on-demand, wholesale, and influencer commerce, its primary focus is helping dropshipping sellers streamline their daily operations. Instead of managing multiple suppliers and switching between different tools, Unify brings product sourcing, order management, fulfillment, shipping, and tracking together in one platform. Let's see how that works in practice. Getting started is straightforward. After creating a Unify Dropshipping account, you're welcomed with a clean dashboard that's easy to navigate, even if you're new to e-commerce. The first step is connecting your online store. In this example, I'm connecting a Shopify store, but WooCommerce is also supported. After authorizing the connection, the store syncs with the platform, allowing future customer orders to appear automatically inside your dashboard. This integration removes a lot of repetitive manual work and keeps everything organized in one place. One thing I noticed is that the interface is simple and uncluttered. Instead of overwhelming users with dozens of menus, the platform focuses on the tools you'll likely use most often, making it approachable for beginners while still providing features that growing stores can benefit from. Once your store is connected, the next step is adding products. Inside the sourcing section, you can browse products or search for items you want to sell. If you already have a product in mind, you can source it through Unify's supplier network instead of managing supplier relationships yourself. After selecting a product, importing it into your Shopify store is quick and straightforward. Product information syncs with your store, helping reduce the amount of manual data entry needed when building your catalog. Having access to a dedicated sourcing network can also make it easier to manage products from one place instead of coordinating with multiple suppliers across different platforms. This centralized approach can save time and simplify product management, especially as your store grows. Now let's look at what happens after a customer places an order. Normally, many sellers have to manually contact suppliers, submit order details, confirm shipping information, and then update customers with tracking numbers. With Unify Dropshipping, customer orders can automatically sync into your dashboard once they're placed on your connected store. From there, the fulfillment workflow becomes much more streamlined. Instead of repeating the same manual steps for every order, you can review the order details and initiate fulfillment through the platform. The process generally follows a clear sequence: product sourcing, order preparation, packing, shipping, and finally tracking updates. As fulfillment progresses, order statuses are updated inside the dashboard, making it easier to keep track of where each shipment is in the process. When a tracking number becomes available, it can synchronize back to your connected store, allowing customers to receive shipment updates without requiring additional manual work. For sellers handling multiple daily orders, automating these repetitive tasks can help free up time to focus on other parts of the business, such as marketing, customer service, or finding new products. One feature that stands out is smart logistics. Choosing the right shipping option isn't always easy, especially when costs and delivery times vary. To simplify this, Unify Dropshipping includes a built-in freight calculator. Just enter the destination, package details, and product information, and the platform displays available shipping methods, costs, and estimated delivery times. This makes it much easier to compare options and choose the best shipping solution without researching multiple carriers manually. After exploring the platform, what stands out most is how it brings several parts of the dropshipping workflow together. Rather than switching between suppliers, spreadsheets, messaging apps, and shipping tools, you can manage many of those tasks from a single interface. The dashboard is beginner-friendly, the workflow is easy to understand, and the automation features can help reduce repetitive administrative work. Of course, every e-commerce business has different needs, so it's always worth testing a platform yourself to see how well it fits your workflow. But if you're looking for a solution that combines product sourcing, supplier management, automated fulfillment, and shipping support into one system, Unify Dropshipping is certainly worth exploring. Another thing worth mentioning is that Unify Dropshipping is completely free to use. After creating an account, you can access all of its features right away without any subscription or activation process. Beyond the software itself, Unify also provides personalized support, aiming to be more than just a supplier. Whether you need help with sourcing, fulfillment, or logistics, the team works with sellers as a long-term supply chain partner to help them grow their business. That wraps up this walkthrough of Unify Dropshipping. We covered how to connect a Shopify store, import products, automatically sync customer orders, fulfill them through a streamlined workflow, and use smart logistics to simplify shipping decisions. If you'd like to learn more about the platform, you'll find the official Unify Dropshipping link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more e-commerce and software reviews, and let me know in the comments which tools you'd like to see covered next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.